I'm Steve. Hope you're doing just amazing. So That'll Be the Day by Buddy Holly from 1957, and I'm going to show you how to play it in under 90 seconds because I got the fastest, most awesomest guitar lessons on YouTube. Hit like, hit subscribe, and let's just do this thing. So you start out with a capo on the 5th fret, and you play it in E major. But that iconic intro that's super fun to play begins on the 8th fret of the G string. Use this finger right here, 2nd finger, and slide it up to the 9th fret of the G string, then the open B and open E strings, like that. Slide it down 1 fret to the 8th of the G, then you hit the open B and E again like that. And now switch fingers, go to this finger on the 7th fret of the G string, open B, open E, and 1 more fret down to the 6th fret of the G, like that. And the moment you do that, you go to a B7th chord, like that. You don't hit the low E note, you hit the 7th fret of the A string, 6th fret of the D string, 7th fret of the G string, like that, and you chime out these open B and E strings. And then it goes, well, that'll be the day to A major. So check out my full lesson on that one. And look, that didn't even take that long. Hit like if it was helpful, and give me some more suggestions for great songs from the 50s and beyond. All right, catch you later.